Okay, maybe touch the screen where I'm at, but there you go, it's recording.
What are we doing?
Just a quick video clip of the same exact thing, only not a still shot.
Oh.
My life is, I don't have hardly any still shots. It's hard for me to make still shots work.
Okay, so what are we doing?
So-
What am I doing? Am I recording?
Yeah.
Oh, it's already recording. Oh, and you're clipping all of this?
Yeah, I'll cut out a piece that's going to work.
Do you want pictures of it?
No, I just want the video. All right, at any point during this video, can you see the writing?
Yeah, now.
Right there?
Yeah. And then I turn this way and you can see it more. I turn this here, it fades. It's just where the light hits it. But yeah, you can see it pretty
Okay,
good.
and then back up and make sure you get my face. I got 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like a year and 4 months ago.
I thought you had more than this.
That's what I said, a year and 4 months ago. Now it's 128,000.
Do you remember which exact date you hit this?
Right around February, I think, of 21.
And how does that make you feel?
Awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Makes me feel like a little school kid.
Oh,
Yeah.
how about that?
Don't try to take my. You can touch my award for a quarter.
Your word?
No, my award.
Oh, I'm gonna just touch it anyways.